Hey everyone, Jay Soloff from Investors Alley, and this is our options trade of the week. So I'm here at marketchameleon.com checking out the unusual options screener. And as has been the case lately, there's plenty of action in the options world. Today and this week in general, looking at volume, sorting it by most active, you can see some massive amount of volume in a few different names here. Facebook, silver, and Apple. Of course, tech and metals have really been the story of the last few weeks. You can also see gold up here, Uber, which just had earnings. Just a lot of action across the board. So, been following SLV silver quite a bit lately, and you can see it was actually a down day for silver for the first time in a while. Ended up down about 2.5%. It was down almost 4 to 5% at one point. But people taking that opportunity, most likely to get bullish on it. You can see the number of call trades vastly more than the number of put trades. Call trades tend to be bullish, assuming people are buying, or even if it's a covered call, that would still be moderately bullish. So, fair amount of bullish action. We can delve into that a little bit and see if the amount of call action supports potential bullish activity. So what we'll do is we'll pull up a list of the trades, and then we'll sort those by quantity as well, because a lot of the market action is driven by the big block trades. Doesn't have to be, but a lot of times it is. So here we go. We're going to sort this by quantity here as well. And one more time to get the biggest trades on top. There we go. 21,000 lot. That actually was a put trade, but stock contingent, so it could be a married put, or it's hard to say. There's two stock contingent trades there. So looks like a covered call, potentially could be a collar here. Could be a couple different things. Another big put trade here over 8,000. This one definitely looks to be bullish, selling the puts, the 23 puts. So that very likely could be a bullish trade. Someone's expecting silver not to go below 23 in the next couple of weeks. Looking at some other stuff here. This is interesting. Okay, so this October trade looks like, again, it's a little hard to tell depending on where things were executed, but looks like someone sold puts in October to buy the 30-40 call spread. That would be extremely bullish. So fair amount of bullish activity. You don't know for sure depending on where some of these things are done mid-market, so it's not clear if it's for sure buying or selling. But if you go by generally what the case is here, we're seeing some put selling, which is bullish, some call spread buying. This one up here with these stock contingent trades could be neutral type trades just to collect premium. So that doesn't necessarily tell you that much. Most of the other stuff here, though, is very clearly bullish. So interesting to see that. We can actually look at some of these a little closer. You can see obviously what silver has done. It's been on a tear lately. Going to the actual stocks, we can look at, so a lot of that action was in October. So if we look at that here, you can see most of the volume. I don't guess. Here's that big 20,000, 21,000 lot. There was no open interest there before, so that's a new trade, new position. But a lot of volume on both sides of the ledger here. And here's that, that 30. See that 30 call got a lot, 24,000. Another 20,000 and 35. So these could be call spreads. So 6,000 and the 40. So these could be call spreads. These could be straight call purchases. Looks to me like there's a fair amount of bullish action. I think the crowd expects silver to continue rallying and going higher. But I talk about silver, gold, and all kinds of other stuff in my biweekly chat. It's called Coffee and Condors. If you're interested in learning more, www.coffeeandcondors.com.